Storage bin dimensions outside, 5-3/8 inch x 4-1/8 inch x 3 inch, inside, 4-3/4 inch x 3-7/16 inch x 2-13/16 inch, pack of 6. Heavy-duty. These storage bins are made with a one-piece industrial-strength plastic construction and are rust, water and corrosion-proof. Great for organizing classrooms, garage, play areas, hardware, craft supplies, small toy storage, candy or snacks, and much more, up to a 10-pound load capacity rating. Organize your closet. Refresh your wardrobe and closet storage with AkroBins. Ideal bins for closet organization and clothing storage, with stacking functionality to save space. Keep food fresh. Refrigerator organizer bins allow you to see and sort all your fruits and veggies to make meal prep easy and avoid produce from spoiling in bags. Top reviews from the United States. Really small but strong. I wish they were a bit bigger, but they're not gonna break on you.